skins, seeds and pulps that work their way into a recirculated wash system can often cause blocking with traditional tank wash nozzles. A premier winery in Napa Valley was having just these problems. They had tried both rotary tank wash machines and traditional static spray balls, but both were becoming clogged. This situation led Beat engineers to develop the unique HydroClaw, the world's first 360-degree clog-resistant tank cleaning system. The HydroClaw has up to 3 times the free passage of traditional spray balls. This means that should seeds, pips or other debris find their way back into the recirculated water supply, they can more easily pass through the nozzle. This means less blockages, resulting in a more complete clean and less manual intervention. In addition, the HydroClaw has no moving parts, so nothing can become jammed should debris work its way into the system. Whilst the HydroClaw was developed to solve a particular problem in the wine industry, there are similar problems in other industries such as beer making, juice production, jam making and tomato processing. Wherever clogging is a problem in traditional spray balls, the HydroClaw is a potential solution.